Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to draw a Santa with a sketching. Take your pencil, take your eraser. Now we are going to start it with the help of lines and shapes. One curve, one small curve, one curve attaching the back portion, one more curve attaching to the front portion, one curve which is going downside, one curve which is going downside, one more curve touching to the last curve, one more curve which is going down, little bit small curve which is coming outside, one curve for a cheek and this is a forehead, one more curve for making an eyebrow, one slanting line for making a nose, one wave line for making a nostrils, one more curve for the eyebrow, again one curve, again two curve for making the eyes, again one curve, again two curve like a leaf for making the eyes, one lens at the center, make it dark with the help of circle, one curve for the mustache coming from the center to the end, again one more curve, again one more curve going towards opposite side, again curve going towards end of the opposite side, few strokes inside, few more, one curve at the center for making a mouth, one more curve for making the lips, one straight line and one curve for making the hair, one curve going upside, again one curve for making the ear, one slanting line for the finishing of the ear, one curve for the completions of the ear. Now one curve for making a cheek. Here a cheek is ready. One curve, again slanting line backside, again curve backside, again outside for making a beard. One curve back, one curve back and touching to the center. One more curve and touching to the forehead. One curve back, one curve back, one curve back touching to the beard. One curve for the shoulder. One more curve till downside for making the shoulder. One arm, one more arm, one circle for showing the cap. Now I am going to give few strokes in the hair. Again few strokes in the hair. Few slanting strokes for showing the shades. at the right direction. Here my Santa is ready. One slipping line for showing the backdrop. Few light toning for showing the snow. Few grasses on the land. One Christmas tree at the back side, far away. Few clouds giving slipping strokes, and few birds. Here our Santa is ready. You can make it your own self, friends, by helping out by pencil sketching and shading. Thank you.